Chapter 1.
Comment améliorer sa prononciation en anglais?
I was born in England in 1632. My father was German and my mother was English. I had 2 brothers and 1 sister. We were a good family. Father was business, a lot of money. I had education. I had a good life. But I also had a dream. I wanted to travel by sea. I wanted to see the world. My father was a good man. He wanted the best for me. But my dream was a dream. He wasn't happy. The situation wasn't easy. I was 18 years old when my father called me to his room. He wanted to speak with me. I came to his room. My father asked me some questions. My father wanted to know why I wanted to travel by sea. Then my father told me, traveling by sea is dangerous. It isn't comfortable. You can die. My father started to cry. I thought of my father's words. Traveling by sea is dangerous. It wasn't comfortable. I could die. But it was also very exciting. I could see new countries. I could meet new people. I thought about traveling by sea every day. It was difficult to be home. To speak with my mother, I told her I would like to travel by sea much. To see the world. I told her, please, help me speak with my father. Maybe with your help I could travel by sea. Her love very much, but she was the same as my father. She thought that traveling by sea was dangerous. She thought that the best was to stay at home. She thought life in England was the best for me. 1 year later, I visited Hull, a town in England. The 1st of December. It was 1651. My friend. Father, ship. They sailed by sea very often. Next journey to London. My friend told me to go with us. I thought about it. I wasn't prepared for this journey, but I could try. Sailing by sea was free, so I went to London. Very happy. My first journey by sea was very exciting. The floor was great. Then we started to have problems. We saw a storm. It was closer and closer. The wind was stronger and stronger. The waves were bigger and bigger. It went up and down. I had fear. I thought about my home. I thought about my comfortable bed. The storm was finished in the morning. The weather